on this lesson of Revit, we're going to go ahead and do a foundation plan. There's lots of ways to do it. It's probably way faster than this way, but since you guys already have a site plan, I would probably double click the site plan, and then I would just start to carefully hide some of your objects. The only thing you have to be careful about, and one thing you want to make sure too, is that you have wireframe on. So you can see now, we can see that slab edge. So with the walls, you can definitely safely get rid of those. And the only thing I found is that if you go to, this is a floor, if you go to hide the whole category, then your slab edge disappears, and that's no good. So with the floors, you're going to have to hide them by element. So that's going to take a little bit of time. Alright, so after maybe a minute more of hiding stuff, you should be able to basically see your slab and your slab edge. And this kind of foundation we're doing is basically where the cement is poured with a slab edge with rebar reinforcement, like we watched in class. Another way of doing a slab, which we're not going to do in this video, is a raised foundation with a crawl space. So anyways, the next step after this would be to go to annotate, region, and pick fill, and you could just pick a circle and just draw a circle like this, green checkbox, and this is going to be basically a symbol for our rebar that we're going to basically show. Now, next thing I want to do is, the rebar right now is going at a 45-degree angle, which is not really normal. So if you click this, it's easy to fix. Just go Edit Type, and then here it says Diagonal Crosshatch, and you could just change it to this one that says Crosshatch, and that's a little more realistic. So at this point, you just have to go ahead and do a note of what the heck this is. So click right there, and I'll do a little smaller text, and what we're going to type right here is all caps alright, so you're going to type reinforced number 4 rebar wire mesh 16 inches on center. So that's the note you want to have, and it doesn't really matter where this is, just as long as it is visible. And maybe I'll put a return mark there so it doesn't, looks a little better, not cut off by anything. Alright, good. So that part's done. That is within the concrete to make it be strong in case there was an earthquake or something like that. You have to do another note. So I'll do this, and this is just going to point to the slab. And we're just going to say monolithic slab on grade at 4 inches. So kind of a traditional cement slab on top of the dirt, which is called grade, and it's going to be 4 inches thick or more, it just depends. But you definitely need to have that note on there. And if you had some steps down in your slab or steps up, like if you were in a house where you had to walk down 2 steps to the living room, you might have some more details in here, but at the bare minimum, this is what you would have to have for a foundation plan. And it gets more complicated from here, but this for your first project, it would be good enough. Alright, thanks for watching.